This is Karen Ranzi of Super Healthy Children and FeelFabulousWithFood.com. And today I'm making a papaya aloe smoothie. And I love papaya, but I didn't realize that the combination of papaya with its excellent enzyme papain, which is perfect for your digestion, and aloe, which is also a very healing plant, together is very antiviral and anti-infection and pro-digestion. So I combined some of the aloe vera. You can still see it in the smoothie. I haven't blended it yet. I cut the aloe vera leaf and put it in the blender with papaya. And I'm going to blend it really quickly again. And I used a non-GMO papaya, and this one is Brooks Tropicals, non-GMO papaya from Guatemala. And so we are going to have this wonderful papaya aloe drink now as our smoothie for today.